The Chancellor Rachel Reeves. She's just been speaking. Let's take a listen.
Well, homeowners will welcome this cut in interest rates, but I know that millions of people are still paying higher mortgage rates after the Conservatives' mini-budget less than 2 years ago that sent interest rates and mortgage rates soaring. That's why I'm focused on taking the difficult decisions to fix the foundations of our economy so we can rebuild Britain and make every part of our country better off.
On a serious point, though, you have accused the previous governments of leaving the economy in a mess. This is a sign that the economy's not been in a mess. Inflation has fallen, as the former Prime Minister said he would do so, and also the economy is growing. This interest rate is this cut today is a reflection that the Conservatives actually left the economy in a good position.
Well, decisions around interest rates, of course, are decisions for the independent Bank of England. But I have been left with a £22 billion black hole in the public finances. I am determined to close that black hole so that we can fix the foundations of our economy. That will require tough decisions, but that is what we were elected to do.
Aren't you putting this at risk, though? You've agreed to some public sector pay increases, quite substantial ones. You might have to do that again. Aren't you potentially going to stoke inflation further by agreeing to public service increases?
Well, it's up to the Bank of England to make their decisions around interest rates and to forecast inflation. I made the decision on Monday to accept the recommendations of the independent pay review bodies to give a pay rise to our armed forces, our police, teachers, doctors and nurses. I think that is the right thing to do, but we also found efficiencies within government spending to offset some of that pay increase.
And will you give one to GPs as well?
Well, we've made an announcement today about the recruitment of GPs because we're in a situation today when you've got people finishing their training but not having a job to go to, and you've got patients waiting for weeks and weeks for an appointment with a GP. So we're clearing up the mess left by the previous Conservative government to ensure that people can access a GP service when they need to, and indeed getting the junior doctors back to work so people can be treated in hospital when they need to be.